Okay. Thank you, Brent. Okay, ngayon naman for Ralph. What lesson did you learn during your journey in PBB?
The biggest lesson I learned talaga was trust in God's perfect timing. Yun talaga for me. Mas napalapit talaga ako to my faith here in the house kasi I can't run to anyone else with my problems or my thoughts. Who else better to go to than me? And syempre, for me also, grabe din yung naging journey ko dito. Grabe din yung na-evict na ako lahat-lahat. Tapos nakabalik pa ako, tapos nakapasok pa ako ng Big Four. So all of that I feel like is because of Him also. And His timing talaga, everything will fall into place. And it's useless to worry tulad ng sinasabi natin is din na nasa loob pa kasi may plan at may plan na sa sa'yo. So when that comes, and just be patient. Just be patient, it will come. And what's meant for you is meant for you.
Thank you so much, Ralph. A great reminder for everyone sa lahat na nanonood sa atin ngayon. You will know your purpose in time. Diba? Thank you so much, Ralph. Okay, ngayon naman, Asnir. Do you still commute? Kamusta ang changes ngayon?
Sobrang random naman ang tanong. Akala ko PBB related commute. Siguro, dito sa bahay, hindi. Pero paglabas ko sa outside world, na-realize ko mas lalo akong commute. Of course po, yan na po yung naging buhay ko ever since talaga nung andito ako sa Manila. Always ako nagko-commute, always ako nag-aangkas, at hopefully ngayon, sana makabili na ako ng